Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to this comprehensive beginner friendly tutorial on SAP SD. Today we are diving deep into one of the most fundamental and widely used transaction in SAP S/4HANA 2026 VA01 for sales order creation. Whether you are a fresh SAP consultant, an end user, a SAP super user or someone just starting your SAP career, this video is designed especially for you. We will walk through the complete process step by step in a very clear and practical way. By the end of this session, you will feel confident creating your first sales order in the latest S/4HANA environment. We will cover everything from basic concepts to advanced tips. So if you are ready to boost your SAP SD skills, stay with me throughout the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can never miss future SAP tutorials. Let's begin this exciting learning journey. In this session, we will follow a clear and well structured agenda to make learning easy. First, we will understand what exactly SAP sales and distribution module is and why it plays such a critical role in businesses. Next, we will explore the key features of SAP S/4HANA 2026 and how it has evolved. Then we will deep dive into the VA01 transaction, starting from how to launch it, understanding the initial screen, entering customer and header data, adding materials and items, important configuration fields, pricing basics, and finally saving the sales order. We will also study the complete document flow and wrap up with common errors that beginners make along with practical best practices to avoid with them. This structured approach ensures that even absolute beginners can grasp the end-to-end process confidently. Let's get started with the fundamentals. So, SAP SD stands for Sales and Distribution. It is one of the core and most important modules of SAP ERP that manages the complete order to cash cycle. This includes receiving customer orders, checking stock availability, delivering goods, creating invoices, and processing payments. The SD module is tightly integrated with materials management, production planning, finance, and controlling modules, making it the backbone of any organization's operations. In today's fast-paced competitive market, companies using SAP SD can streamline their sales processes, reduce manual errors, improve customer satisfaction, and gain real-time visibility into sales performance. In the latest S/4HANA version, the SD module has become even more successful, powerful with real-time analytics, simplified data structures, and an intuitive Fiori interface. Now, let's understand what makes 2026 release special. S/4HANA 2026 is the latest intelligent ERP suite released by SAP. Unlike the older ECC systems, S/4HANA is built on the powerful HANA in-memory database, which delivers lightning fast performance for real-time reporting and analytics. It offers a highly simplified data model, smaller system footprint, and a completely modern user experience through SAP Fiori apps. The 2026 version brings enhanced artificial intelligence capabilities, better predictive analytics, improved supply chain visibility, and much more user-friendly navigation. For sales users, this means faster order creation, instant availability checks, real-time credit management, and seamless access from mobile devices. Throughout this tutorial, we will be working in latest S/4HANA 2026 environment to create a sales order using the classic yet powerful VA01 transaction. VA01 is the standard transaction code used across the world to create sales orders in SAP. But before we can successfully create a sales order in VA01, certain master data and organizational elements must already exist in the system. Like, you need a complete customer master record, material master record, and proper organizational structure including sales organization, distribution channel, division plant, and company code. Sales organization represents the selling company. Distribution channel defines the route to market, such as wholesale or retail, and division groups similar products. Without these, the system will simply not allow order creation. Also ensure the material is extended to the correct middle plant and sales area, the customer is not blocked, and has sufficient credit limit. Once all these prerequisites are verified, we can confidently launch the VA01 transaction. So, VA01 is the standard transaction code used across the world to create sales order in SAP. It serves as the starting point of entire order to cash process. A properly created sales order ensures correct pricing, accurate delivery dates, proper shipping instructions, and flawless invoicing. Mastering VA01 helps organizations avoid revenue leakage, reduce delivery delays, maintain high customer satisfaction, and improve overall operational efficiency. In most companies, hundreds of users create sales order daily using VA01. Whether you work in sales, supply chain, customer service, or IT support, having strong knowledge of VA01 is a must-have skill in 2026. Let's now understand the launch of this very important transaction, that is VA01. There are several ways to open VA01 in S4HANA. The most modern way is through the SAP Fury Launchpad. Simply search for Create Sales Order or directly type the transaction code VA01 in command field and press enter. In classic SAP GUI, you can navigate through the menu Logistics, Sales and Distribution, Sales, Order, and Create. After entering VA01, the system opens the initial screen where you must provide key organizational data. Always double check that you are using the correct order type. OR is the standard for normal sales order. Taking a few extra seconds here prevents many issues later. So this is the step where we are going to launch the VA01 transaction. Again, I will repeat: expand logistics, then expand sales and order, expand sales, order, and execute VA01. So the next step is the main screen. On the VA01 initial screen, you start by entering the order type, usually OR for standard order. Then you fill in the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Together call the sales area. Next, you enter the sold to party customer number. As soon as you press enter, the system intelligently pulls the ship to, bill to, and pair partners if they are maintained in customer master. The initial screen is extremely important because any mistake here can impact the entire document flow. In S4HANA 2026, the interface feels much cleaner, faster, and more responsive. Once the header data loads properly, we move forward to the main item entry screen. So this is very important to enter the main entry screen header data correctly. So after entering the sold to party, the system automatically copies a lot of relevant data in the sales order header. You can access detailed header information by clicking the header icon. Here you can maintain the customer's purchase order number, requested delivery date, payment terms, Incoterms and other important details. You can also modify ship to, bill to or payer information if the situation requires it. Pay special attention to partner functions and sales area data. In modern S/4HANA 2026, many of these fields are intelligently proposed using machine learning, which makes data entry much faster and reduces manual errors. So in this screen, you are looking at the item overview for a sales order. There are 3 line items, 10, 20 and 30, where we have material number, quantity, plant, unit price, total line price and the gross amount. Next we come to the core part, entering line items. In the item overview screen, you simply enter the material number, order quantity for each item. The system automatically determines the delivering plant, fetches the price and performs a real-time available to promise check. You can add multiple materials in a single order. S/4HANA shows instant availability information, so you can promise accurate delivery dates to your customers. You can also have the flexibility to adjust delivery date per line item. Notice how pricing is determined automatically based on the conditions records. This integration and automation is what makes SAP so powerful. So in this window you can see the key fields and the critical sales data, where we have delivery date. You can see 15th of November 2026, then payment terms, shipping point and pricing condition. Several fields in VA01 are critical for a successful order. Always verify requested delivery date, shipping point, route payment terms, Incoterms and the pricing conditions. This is very important. Once all data is entered, you have reviewed any warnings, press Ctrl+S or click the save button. If everything is correct, the system generates a new sales order number and displays a success message. After saving, you can view the complete document flow, which shows the journey from sales order to outbound delivery, goods issue, billing document and finally accounting document. This seamless integration is the real strength of SAP. In S/4HANA 2026, the document flow is visual and very easy to navigate. Congratulations! You have now successfully created your first sales order in the system. So this is a huge success and you have understood the process and created the sales order. Beginners often face some common issues in VA01, such as entering incorrect customer or material numbers, missing organizational data, wrong delivery dates, skipping availability checks or ignoring credit blocks. To avoid these problems, always double check master data, use standard order types when possible, ensure complete customer and material masters are maintained and regularly validate pricing. Use the check function Ctrl F2 before saving. In S/4HANA, take full advantage of the built-in intelligence, simulation features and real-time validations. These small habits will quickly make you a confident and efficient SAP SD user. So these are some of the errors and some of the best practices that you must follow. I will revise it. Pre-verify master data, use customer pre-approvals and opt for system suggested dates. So in this way you will be able to avoid the issues. And that brings us to the end of this detailed tutorial on VA01 sales order creation in SAP S/4HANA 2026. I hope you now feel much more confident and ready to work with these sales orders. If you have any doubts or questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I try my best to reply to all genuine queries. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues which are also learning SAP. In upcoming videos, we will cover more advanced topics including delivery processing, billing, and pricing procedures in detail. In that videos, you will be able to further master SAP in your daily use or in office works which you are performing on daily basis. So that's it for today. Stay tuned, keep learning, and we will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.